What's going on, guys? So today we're going to be working on a project, me and Taina. Say hi, Taina.
Hi.
And we're going to be painting the 10-foot john boat we got. We're going to be painting it with camo colors, you know, considering we're going to be using it mostly for hunting. So, yeah, it's going to look cool. Right now, let me show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like right now. Pretty nice boat. Most of it, other than these rivets right here, is welded. It's all welded on the front and welded on the back. And obviously it's really shiny. We don't want that because we don't want the animals to know that we are there. So I already washed it and cleaned it off so that any dirt or anything that could be possibly on it comes off. And then now I'm gonna put a little bonding primer on it. Just Rust-Oleum. Okay, so a 10-foot john boat, I thought another one can would do enough, but apparently not. So you're gonna probably need 2, maybe even 3, about 2.5 cans of the 12-ounce Rust-Oleums, because this is only a 10-foot john boat. So I figured I'm gonna focus mainly on the front, back, and sides, and on the side that we're gonna be in. Because the bottom's always going to get scratched up a little bit, but to completely cover your boat, you're going to want 2 to 3 cans of the Rust-Oleum primer, because it only covered the sides and the front and the back, but there so far. First coat. Okay, so this is what it looks like right now. You can kind of get creative and do whatever the heck you want with it. This is just basically my base. I put the primer first, right, and then I put a camouflage color of whatever color this is, like a tan beige color, and then a brown. Then what I'm gonna do is with this palm frond, I'm gonna put some greens up in there, you know, and whatnot. And I'll do different colors. I got 2 different colors of green, a dark green and not so dark green. And yeah, then I'll flip it over and do some on the inside. So, cut me a piece. I think this is gonna work better. Cut a piece. Utilize a piece to the whole palm frond. It might take longer, but it'll work better. That looks a lot better. I think. Now I'm gonna do a little darker green. Alright guys, so I'm not done yet. I ran out of one color that I really wanted to add on there. It was darker green. I only had half a can. But this is kind of what it looks like right now. You probably can't see it because it's so camoed that it blends in with the grass. But you know, that's just, you know, how awesome that paint is. I can't say that I can take you know, full responsibility for that. I haven't done the bottom here because I ran out of the green again. So once I get more green, I'm gonna do the bottom, and then yeah, I mean, the top looks good, the inside looks good, the outside looks good. Everything looks good. So yeah, I like it. It's coming out good. I need to get 2 more colors because I want to touch a few areas where you know, just touch up a few areas like this. I don't like that. I mean, even though it blends in better if I do it all, but I think it looks cleaner if I do just the edges and that tan color. All right, so there it is. Looks pretty good. Should blend in pretty nicely.